To access Thinkorswim, start by going to the TD Ameritrade website and clicking on the Thinkorswim tab. If you do not have a TD Ameritrade account, you will need to create one by providing some basic information such as your name, address, and social security number. Once you have an account, you can download the Thinkorswim platform from the website. After downloading, install the platform on your computer and launch it. You will be prompted to log in with your TD Ameritrade username and password. If you are accessing Thinkorswim for the first time, you may need to agree to the terms and conditions and set up some basic account settings. Once you are logged in, you will see the Thinkorswim dashboard, which provides an overview of your account and the markets. From here, you can navigate to different parts of the platform, such as the Trade tab, where you can buy and sell securities, or the Analyze tab, where you can view charts and research stocks. To get the most out of Thinkorswim, it is a good idea to take some time to explore the different features and tools that are available. The platform offers a wide range of technical indicators and analysis tools, as well as news and research feeds from reputable sources. In addition to the desktop platform, Thinkorswim also has a mobile app that allows you to access your account and trade on the go. The mobile app offers many of the same features as the desktop platform, including real-time quotes, charts, and news. To ensure that your account is secure, make sure to log out of Thinkorswim when you are finished using it, and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. It is also a good idea to set up two-factor authentication, which requires you to enter a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your username and password. By following these steps and taking the time to learn about the different features and tools that Thinkorswim has to offer, you can get the most out of this powerful trading platform and make more informed investment decisions.